Welcome to Mackenzie's Cookie Corner. I'm your host, Mackenzie, and today I'll be showing you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies. First, you'll need 1 cup of butter, softened, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of white sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons of hot water, half a teaspoon of salt, and in the place of butter in the second recipe, I will be substituting a cup of shortening. Fun fact, chocolate chip cookies were invented in the late 1930s by Ruth Wakefield, who ran the Toll House restaurant. For the chocolate, she used Nestle bars, thus Nestle Toll House was born. Fun fact number 2, the thing that gives cookies that rich brown coloring and nutty flavor is called caramelization, which is the oxidization of sugar. Sugar adds tenderness and texture to the cookies while also acting as a preservative, while butter adds flavor and reacts with leavening agents. And beaten eggs act as a leavening agent while also adding color. Now let's discuss the differences between the two. The recipe with butter had thick dough that was hard to mix, while the recipe with shortening had a softer, much easier to mix dough. In fact, the prep time for the shortening cookies turned out to be much shorter than the prep time for the butter cookies. When rolled into dough balls, the butter cookies were more oddly shaped. The shortening cookies, on the other hand, were much easier to shape and came out much rounder than their butter counterparts. After baking, the butter cookies were dark brown in color, sweet, and slightly oddly shaped, while the shortening cookies were light brown in color, perfectly rounded, and slightly dull in taste. The butter cookies had a 112.5% yield, making 27 cookies instead of 24, while the shortening cookies had a 125% yield, making 30 cookies instead of 24. That's all the time we have today. I hope you'll join us next time on Mackenzie's Cooking Corner.